Welcome back to another grocery haul. Today we went to Save A Lot and I got several things we needed. Trying to stock up a little bit before Christmas. You'll probably see this video after Christmas, unfortunately, but that's what it is. I had to get some butter, got some chocolate syrup, some mayo and mustard for deviled eggs, picked up some canola oil, some Ready Whip, and I have several things here for candy making. So I needed some creamy peanut butter. I always make my dad peanut butter cookies for Christmas. I needed some chocolate chips, another bag of powdered sugar. We got some halos, seedless grapes. I also grabbed some of this mild cheddar finely shredded cheese, a carton of eggs, and already had milk and a cabinet stocked full of like veggies and stuff. So this is mainly meat and fridge kind of stock up and candy making. Picked up some garlic toast to go with pizza casserole. Picked up 2 cheddar broccoli rice, chicken stuffing, some honey puffs, some rolls, snacking, some Chips Ahoy original cookies, some potato skins, cheddar and bacon. Last is the meat, and we did 1 Pig 5, and I love their Pig 5 deal because there's only 3 of us and there's enough meat to feed us and have leftovers. And we got a cube steak, 2 packages of ground beef, blade steaks, and they're pork steaks, and a pack of pork cutlets, and I also have several packs of meat already in the freezer too. And then for Christmas dinner, I'm making a butterball turkey breast roast, and this is the boneless breast meat. These are so good. I love them for the crock pot. I always make one on Thanksgiving and one on Christmas. So that's the haul. Just a quick grocery haul for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls in the kitchen videos and an array of other videos. Check the description box as always for additional video links. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.